Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your exterior door handle on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. And you do have to remove the door panel first when doing this. Because this handle has the Honda Smart Entry, there's a wire plug and we have to get to it on the back side inside of the door here. So I have a separate video on how to remove the door panel, and I will link to that in the description below. And once you have the door panel off, you're going to want to come inside of the door jamb here, and you have this black cap. Just take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully get behind it and pull back on it, and then just pop it off. And then inside there is a bolt, and use a 10mm socket to get it out. And then when you come to take the bolt out, you just want to make sure to tilt your socket back and then bring it out. That way the bolt doesn't fall down inside of the door. And then on the inside of the door here, behind the door panel, we got this vapor barrier. And what you're going to do is pull back on the vapor barrier, and then you can see there's this white adhesive holding it on. And just take a razor blade, and you want to slice the adhesive between the vapor barrier and the door itself. And we're just trying to make enough window to get our hand in behind here to unplug the door handle. And then back inside here, and this is the plug right here, and the tab that you will need to push is right here on the end. So just push on the tab and pull out on the wire plug. And when you go to put this vapor barrier back on, this adhesive is self-adhering, so it'll stick back on itself when you're done. And then back around to the outside of the door handle here, we're just going to take off this end cap by just peeling out on it and pulling it straight out. And then the other piece of this door handle, we're going to slide it towards the back of the car and then just pull out on it and feed the wire plug through the hole. And then when you go to put it back in, you just feed the wire in first, slide this end in, and you get it up against the car, and then you just slide it forward and it locks in. And then you put the end cap on and finish it up. But that's it guys, that's how you remove the door handle. Thanks for watching.